Hello, good day everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today we'll be looking at Microsoft Excel's if function. The if function in Microsoft Excel is used to make comparison between two values, and depending on that comparison being true or false, we return one of two results. Now let us take a look at an example using Microsoft Excel's if function. But before we go, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Welcome back. So we'll be using our if formulation to compare data between year 2020 and year 2021 sales information for our hypothetical company JP Trading. Our function may be entered using our insert function button located here just by clicking. Once that is done, there's a list of most recently used functions, and in this case for me the if function is among them. So I will select my if function and click OK. If you are not seeing your if function, you could also do a search. In your search for function section, click go, and your if function will be among your list of functions presented. Select your if function and click OK. Note, we can also type our formula directly in cells, which I'll show to you later in this video. Our if function requires three sets of data: logical test, value if true, value if false. Our logical test in this example is checking that sales for 2021 is greater than sales for 2020. If that is true, we would like our if function to return the text increased. And if that is false, we would like our if function to return the text decreased. It is important to note, if text are being requested, they need to be enclosed in quotation marks. Our next step is to click OK. Now, let's look at how we type in a formula. Formulae in Microsoft Excel usually begin with an equal sign and named based on the role of the function. In this case, if for if. Then open bracket, our logical test, which is sale for 2021 being greater than sale for 2020. This is followed by a comma. Next, the result that should be returned if our logical test is true. And for this example, the word is increased. And that's followed by a comma, followed by the result that should be returned if our logical test is false. And for this example, the word is decreased. Close bracket. Do not forget that all text should be enclosed by quotation marks as shown in our formula bar here. Now let's drag and drop our formula. And there you have it. Please share questions or comments, and don't forget, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.